Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this product to review from the company for this video, and these are two rolling grill baskets that work extremely well for cooking veggies and cooking your meats. So now with this here, you can actually use this to put your veggies, your meats. You can put anything that's marinated or unmarinated that's right in here. Line it up so that this goes between the two. Take this wooden handle, slide it between the two, and then it will go right in the hook here. This metal bracket then goes around the top and that locks it in place so it stays shut. You can then use the handle to put your veggies right in the grill and then roll your veggies, have them cook however you want, and then take it off when you're done. While you're using this too, you can go ahead and use these rings here to move the grill basket if you need to. And it also comes with these two prongs here. So that way you can move the meats around or move the veggies around so you can get them to cook the right way that you want to. You also still have the option of opening the grill basket while it's on the grill. Take care of everything that you need to take care of. Close it up again so that way you can go ahead and continue grilling. So if you're looking for a grill basket so that way you can grill outside and take care of all your meats and your veggies all at the same time, I would highly recommend checking this out.